we do is me and my uncle's yacht. Well, this is actually the living quarters of the yacht. So it's not big, but it's an 18-meter yacht, so it's good. It's larger than my rental apartment was, so it's good. Well, that's the bridge. Now going to my room, my sleeping quarters. You see, I have to open this hatch. Yeah, then that's my sleeping quarters. Well, this is my sleeping quarters. It's quite small. Well, this is my bathroom. I have a really small toilet and kind of shower thing. It's not good, but it can go here. And actually, that's it. So I will be staying at my uncle's yacht for a few days. It's kind of cool though, you know. The sea breeze thing. The playing with the Radio CB is also kind of nice, you know. I mean, yeah, you got to know the Morse code from my father. He was a sailor, ship officer, so actually I know many of the codes. So it's kind of fun just for someone who's perhaps claustrophobic. It's suck, you know. You have every square meter only really short. So for me, I'm 175 centimeters tall. I think for European people, you know, sometimes over 200, it's hard to stand. You have to bend over because it's also low size. If you go below deck, how low you go, how lower the ceiling. So I'm happy that for me it's not a problem. Even my bed is perhaps 180 centimeters tall, so I just fit inside. Well, I like being on the boat, you know. It gives me a good feeling. Yeah, so that's my sea experience. You know, the cool thing about this yacht is that once my uncle, you know, it's going to be mine one day. But my uncle, he doesn't have any children of his own. Actually, my sister is his godchild, but she doesn't want a boat, so, you know, if something ever happens, everything is 18-meter yacht going to be mine. It's real cool. So I spend over at this place for every now and then. Get to know the experience of living on a boat. So it's cool. So once this yacht's mine, I can sail wherever I want, do whatever I want, and I can be literally the captain of my own ship. So I hope I can get used to it.